Good evening, students. My name is Sahadev Kumar Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Welcome to my IELTS masterclass. And today we are going to discuss about what are the various techniques are there to solve the MCQs, especially in case of IELTS listening. So, dear students, this is the particular segment without which the exam is never over. For the last 2 to 3 exams, students have given me the feedback that a lot of MCQs are coming, especially in case of the listening. So this is the reason that today I am with this video, and how we will do it. I am going to discuss some of the techniques and lastly one trick also. Okay, so what we are going to discuss about today, whenever you find that there are MCQs, so there are only basically the 3 options only. Most in the very rare case you get the 4th one, otherwise basically you find there are all basically the 3 options only. So when they give us the time, so during that time, if I talk about this whole 5 questions about the text, it will not be more than you can say around 100 words, or even not even 150, around 100 words. And as we are well practiced in IELTS reading also, so we are in the habitual of reading the keywords, underlining the keywords. Okay, we will mark the keywords in 2 different aspects, and that will be very beneficial for us. I will tell you the logic why we need this. Okay, let's start with the video. Generally the question about MCQs, they talk about what, when, where, why, who, how, right? 5 W's and 1 H. Generally they ask about this question. So I am going with the one question and writing down and marking down the keywords also. Why has James chosen to do case study of the company Furniture Rossi? Okay, chosen to study, chosen to do case study. This is my first, and they have asked me the question why. That means they are asking me the reason. When you underline the keyword immediately, read all the 3 options which are there, and write mark the single word. Okay, I'll show how to mark it. It has enjoyed global success. Second is, it is still in the development phase, developmental. This is okay, second word. And it is example of foreign company as well as Australia, right? Again, we'll read the next question. According to James, why? Again, they have asked me the reason why. Why did Luca Rossi start a furniture start? Why Luca started something? Okay. The keywords here is family making. The family making was already a family occupation. So they talk about something about family. Okay. Rossi saw the need for handcrafted furniture. Okay. Handcrafted, family, handcrafted. The work Rossi has done previously. So these are the 3 words. These are the 3 logics that our answer will tell us. Okay, the text will tell us. According to James, what was the basic reason? Was it family? Was it handicraft market, or something done previously? Okay. What gave? Now what they're asking is something they have given. What gave Furniture Rossi a competitive advantage? So next our keyword is competitive advantage, and the keyword here in the answer is staff, price, locally products. So staff, price and locally products. These are the 3 keywords which we must underline before we proceed for the listening of the audio. Okay. Next, what? Again they are asking us something. What does the tutor recommended James does when writing? Okay, when writing. What tutor recommended when writing? Okay. Next is your draft. Okay. Provide more details reference is keyword. Check written. Okay. Add views. So these are detailed references, written, and his own views. Right? Like this, we have to underline the keywords. Okay. Now, why I asked you to write underline the keywords? Now actual game starts, because till now we were doing what we have already done in our reading only, right? Now we are going to discuss about what are the benefits of it. Okay. Why I asked you to underline the keywords in questions? There are certain chances when the student misses the sequence because of any reason. Okay, I missed one, I missed two, right? But suddenly if I hear about the competitor advantage, my mind will automatically tell me that question number 23 is about to come. The basic problem which students generally discuss with me, or their tips they wanted to have from me, is that they say that sir, sometime we miss because of any reason, and we miss all the 5 questions at a time. So that is the great challenge, right? They miss all the 5 questions. So to avoid that, and secondly, we have already underlined these keywords. Now suppose if this thing is going on, okay, you have read this text with me. Okay, so I'm going to narrate one audio for you for relating to this. And if I say that there was a problem in the accuracy what the person has written, so immediately when you say the written accuracy, you will come to know that question number 24 is going on. If these things are in mind, then it is quite easy and convenient for a normal student also to get a good score in your MCQs. This is how my students are doing MCQs. Immediately they tick the. Now what you have to do? Please go to your center or go to YouTube and search out for the audio related to your listening, and take out the print of it, underline the keywords, then play the audio, and you will immediately come to know what is there. And now trick, what is the trick in this? This is the technique we have discussed. Okay, tricks to be used, I have repeatedly said in my videos, that tricks are to be used when we totally washed out. Now trick is this, that maximum answers comes with option B. Okay, if you missed everything, please write B, 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 B. There are chances that you will get 2 or 3 more. Suppose in one hypothetical condition, suppose you have missed 21 and you have solved the 22, its answer is A. Again 23 you missed, then 24 you solved, the answer is C, and 25th you again missed. So better you put B, A, B, C, D. I am very sure that out of 5 at least you will get 4, because 2 questions you have clearly solved and 2 questions you will get from your B also. If B is also not possible, then the longest answer. Which is the longest answer? In this the answer longest is C. Okay. In this the longest answer is B, C. This question is C. So I will go for this. Again I remind you, my dear students, this is a trick. But I never say that you stick on your tricks. Please be confident on your knowledge, then only you are going to do it. On your I button you will get a lot of links of the other videos. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe and give me your feedback. I repeatedly requested that nobody is giving me good feedback, that what else you want to know about it, because for the last 10 years I am into the IELTS, and a lot of things I try to update myself. So I give yourself the best, so that while sitting at your homes you can solve your exams too good. All the best, and again subscribe to my channel if you are not required. God bless you, take care of you, all the best, bye bye.